Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala, I am SEBI certified research analyst. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. And 10 days back we are posting a video. After that, after 10 days we are going to start new. And sorry for the delay. And this video, I'm going to show you some other option trading strategies in Bank Nifty, so that how effectively the Bank Nifty options gives me a profit even while I'm taking the buying direction as well as selling direction. So what should be the benefit which I'm getting using my advanced option trading strategy. So in this advanced option trading strategies, we are going to find out the range. After the range, so we are deciding whether the buy option is buying suitable or selling suitable. We decide it, and then we are going to make the strategy. Using the strategy, we are going to get the profits. And before going to the video, so anyone who want to open a trading account with me, so any of my video, you just go below the description link. You can see the link for account opening. So you can also open an account. So we will provide you some intraday calls, those who are trading with me. Today also we provide some 2 calls. So we booked around 9,000 rupees. So let's I show you. This is the calls which I am given today. Once Tata Power we sold with a stop loss of somewhere around 60 paisa, and the trade we booked. And sell, we are given a sale in Bandhan Bank, so it is not activated, so we ignored it. So finally we booked a 1 rupee in Tata Power, so we got around 9,000 rupees profit. And this is the trade which I given for last week. So option trading strategy, so that generative 50,000 investment, we are getting more than somewhere around 40,000. So that I'm going to explain in this video. Let's start. The most powerful trading strategy, so which I'm going to explain, and a lot of videos, it's a demo purpose, I'm just uploading this video, and which is a trading strategy. So this is my real app. So we are not uploading that in our talent traders. So previously we are updating that images what we are making a profits, and now the clients feel bad to share their own trading and their profits too. So that's why we are not updating anything live screenshots. So previously we are updating whatever the profits or loss we made, so everything we are updating like a screenshot on our previous videos. Okay, the profit also and loss also we are updating, but now the clients feels bad, so we are making the portfolio like paper trading. So what we have done for the last week in a Bank Nifty, so this advanced, this is a comes under the advanced category of strategy, and we normally do that some 5 different advanced strategy which we can effectively um, apply in the any stocks or index. So but we are teaching that as an that was in our paid lessons. So anyone who ready to learn that, you can contact me, the number provided in description, and you can directly contact me, my number which is a WhatsApp number also. Okay, so now I'm going to take a Bank Nifty. So here, this is what Bank Nifty chart where I'm going to take a trade. So this is about a 1 hour chart. Recently on 15th May, it gives me a sell signal. Previously, it gives me a buy signal. At this is a trade where which is 20,000 rupees. It's generative buy signal on 13th May. So that is what 13th May it gives you buy signal, and next day is the expiry. Okay, next day is the expiry. So if you are trying to trade based on this strategy, what should be your profit? This is the 15-minute chart, and whatever the time frame you want, you can utilize any time frame. And this is what a buying options trading strategy. You have to uh, time to wait for the options. So we normally take the next week options. So if you are taking the current week options, it is not good because one day is left for expiry. So if you are taking 21st contract, we have another 8 days is for a expiry, so that we have to remember. So whenever you are buying options, you have time value. Okay, if you are a seller of the options, you don't need to be time value. The seller always focusing the less time value to get the time value benefit, and buyers must have the time value to get the price movement as a benefit, right? So here Bank Nifty it gives you buy signal at 13th May. So what we are doing normally, so when you got a buy signal, whatever 19,600 is your buy signal. So what I did using 5 minute super trend, I did this strategy on the day where it is. on just 5 minutes time frame strategy. So this is the trade which I developed 19,600, because this is the expiry day 12th May and this is what 13th May, and this is the new signal on the 13th May, one day before expiry of last weekly option contract. So based on this signal, where I got a signal generated by 19,610 rupees. So the right strike price, while I'm going to take 19,600. Okay, so here I got a sell signal. Let's understood what I'm telling you. Whenever you don't know the direction, so to find out the direction, I am using the super trend. Here I got a sell signal around 19,600, that is a 610. Okay, this is about this was happening by later. Okay, this is happening by later. So what I did, so 19,600 put options I'm going to buy. Initially what we are doing, so we nakedly buying and our cost price and everything we have to see after buying the price. So as I believed this chart, and I will take a 3 lot of put option. Okay, so whatever the thing, whatever the price, I didn't worry about that. I directly buy the 3 lot of put option. Whatever the amount I invested in the options, to protect myself, I need to be take any insurance purpose, any insurance trade, or I want to protect my loss. If I invested that much of amount, whatever the some 30,000 or 40,000, so I want to protect myself, I'm going to simply take 19,600 call option with the 2 lots. So what it mean and how it the payoff graph which shows me. So either if it is put side market goes down, I'm going to get maximum profit, and call side also I'm going to get a maximum profit. If in between the level, if market settles, so this is the payoff chart, the strategy. Here also profit and here also profit, and in between the range, if it is settled, we have the loss, we face the loss. And another important thing what we have to understand from this particular trade, and put side we have more lots and call side we have less lots. So using that particular chances or a particular thing, so we are going to apply the strategy, and 19,600 put options 3 lot which I am taken, and 19,600 call option we taken 2 lots. So this is the payoff graph where I am getting that any side market moves, but here some data range between this level, your stock or index must cross that level. So what is that exact point where you are taking the positions? Once that exact point crosses, you are going to make money even if you are a bullish or bearish. This is one part. And this is a 5-minute chart. It will give you lot of signals, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. Some lot of signals will come, but the direction is only two. Either it is a buy or it is a sell. I'm waiting for a next trade. It gives me a buy signal here, that is around 19,700. Okay, so I'll show you that. Here we got a 19,700 as 642. The exact closing price is 615. 9. So we thought that is again buy signal on the Bank Nifty. The nearest strike price is 19,700 call option. I'm going to buy 3 lot call, and again 19,700 put options. I'm going to buy 2 lot call, sorry 2 lot put options. Now it looks like a long straddle, but it is a different one. It looks like a long straddle, but whenever market moves as per your direction, you are going to get huge benefit by this trade. Either market goes bullish and next day it gives a sell signal, and I am already holding a sell position, and this is my buy positions. I am holding both the positions. Again it gives a buy signal, I am not worried. Again it gives a sell signal, I am not worried, because first two trades which I am going to take for my trading strategy, weekly strategy, and again new signal, its sell is gone down and buy, and again today it gives a sell signal in the morning itself around 18,500, and today itself it fell down around 17,000 points is down, and again it gives a buy signal, and again it gives a sell signal. So lot of buy sell signals which is generated on 5 minutes time frame, and if you check 15 minutes time frame, there will be a 2 trades for this month, for this week, sorry not month. So this is what a first trade, and 15-minute chart we got a sell signal around 14th May, that is the exact expiry day. So if you are doing the put option strategy at 19,200, that strategy also we have for a 15 minutes time frame 19,200, and I did the strategy and how it is working. This is my one of advanced option trading strategy. If you want to learn my more paid strategies, you can contact me and we will provide you some discounts for that lockdown period. Okay, so the first thing which I go to show you the bank nifty trades. This is my bank nifty trades for the which I applied for a last week, which will generate me more than 1.5 lakhs profit. And this is the another trade, another strategies, and these are the strategies what we are talking about right now. And I'll show you, this is the trade which I taken for the day where the 15 minutes time frame. So I will show you the trade details on 15 minutes time frame where I got the sell signal by 19,200. So that is why I'm taking sorry, this is what 19,100, so near about where you got a sell signal 19,300. Maybe that time we will see the spot price, so maybe I applied this strategy. Okay, you see that I'm going to take a put options of 3 lots around 9,100, 19,100. Okay, that is put options which I'm going to take 3 lot. Okay, to protect myself I'll invest again 19,100 call with the 2 lots. So here you see that when the bank nifty is ready to move either 18,000 below or sorry 18,000 below or about 20,600. So this is the expected range where the market moves over the range. You are going to make profit whether market is going down or going up. The strategy which is useful for both the direction market. This is called a non-directional trade strategy. Okay, and the risk for the trade, the premium paid, we are the premium payer, and 61,000 is our total risk, and profit is unlimited. The probability of the profit is around 60%. And what happened today? Bank Nifty it reaches by 17,400 where we have taken the trade opportunity this particular point. Now the Bank Nifty moves this way, and we calculated as per IV and HV Bank Nifty will move near about 2,000 points this week. Okay, this weekly. Okay. So here our cost price from our entry point is 19,100 and 18,100. So 1,000 points we are did the strategy, and Bank Nifty moves, and 60,000 investment which gives you 54,000 profit. So this is one of the best strategy which we are going to apply for a buying options. Even stocks also it is working very well, and this is the strategy based on the super trend. And if the super trend fails, there also I'm going to make money using this strategy which gives you more profit. And what I did in the 5 minutes trade, that Bank Nifty options with the 5 minutes trade which I done some trades. So this is the trade where I'm going to take bearish view about Bank Nifty. This is another strategy which we have done on the 19,200, 58,000 investment which gives you 43,000 profit for a last week from 4 days. It gives you profit. And this one Bank Nifty, the second, yeah, this is what put side, and another this one 19,700, that 5 minute chart which I shown you now, the second trade which I taken for the 19,700 put option as well as call option. Here my view for the Bank Nifty is bullish. My view for the Bank Nifty is bullish, which I am taking a 3 lot of call option. To protect myself I took a 2 lot of put option. But what happened? So what I am expecting this trade, this is my bullish trade, but market is fell down. So here this is my break even points where 17,968 and 20,800. If I am expecting bullish, so market move, I am expecting market moves more than 20,800. If it is bearish, I am expecting near below 18,000. When the market comes below 18,000, I am going to make profit, but I am taking the strategy which is for a bullish purpose. But even though market is comes down the bearish, we are in profit. So important thing, we have to understand this particular Bank Nifty strategy, which we are thinking that we are going to expect the market is bullish, but finally the market is totally bearish, but we are ending with the profit. When you are wrong on the direction, if you are not making a profit, If you are not losing, that is a very good way. So 670,000 invested and it generated 24% profit. And the same time, which I will show you the chart of Bank Nifty, that particular signal which generated loss only, the super trend signal which gives you loss. So this is the signal where we are taken 19,700 and next day market opens gap lower. So if you are buying futures or anchored options from 650 700 to next day opening 19,100, so what you are losed money, so maybe the premium is lapsed and now market is very below the total premium what you paid. And so previous trade, so that is 19,600 put option. Let's show you the 19,600 put option, which will tell you that 19,600, this is 19,200, 19,700 and 19,600. This is the trade where I took the trade here. This is my trade setup where I am taken 19,000 and this is also be failure, and here I can taken 2 positions. So I am in the downside as well as upside. So after that I am not focusing the newer signals. I kept opening my position, and what happened that position, what I am expecting from 18,400 is my cost price here and 21,200 is my cost price, and market is down more than 1000 points from entry point. So that is why I make a huge benefit from this trade, because I'm taken 19,600. This is the view. My view is bearish. 3 put options, sorry, 2 call options and 3 put option which I taken. So now which what I did the trade, so around 646 now it is moves, and 685 now it is 25,000 loss, and here I made a profit. So once my break even point reaches, I'm started making money, and now it is almost 88.2%. So here my investment is 66k. So what I'm going to understand using this particular strategy, so I did were bullish and same time I did were bearish also, the 2 trades which I had done. So here 66k pro investment, here 70k investment, and here I made 58k, that is or 88 percentage of my investment. Here I made 24,000, 24 percentage, that is around 16k is a profit. But if you are doing the same strategy, you are going to take a risk of 1.2 lakhs, but now your profit is 58 plus 16 is almost 60, 70 to 74k is your total profit, while it is more than 60-70% of your 60-70% of your investment. So the important thing for the trading strategy, you must understand the stock have ability to move that much of range. So that we are calculated based on our historical and implied volatility. So we booked some good profit based on the advanced option trading strategies. Anyone who want to learn my more paid strategies, you can contact me. So we are providing lot of discounts for that. This who are booking this lockdown period, we give you a lot of benefit. So this is what my Bank Nifty strategy, so which I did with the trade options, Bank Nifty call option, put options, that I generate you big money. So anyone who interested to learn, so you can you are welcome. And again some stocks also we did. This is Manappuram strategy, but I'm not sharing the what is the strategy for this thing. Here both the strategy, this is my bullish view and this is my bearish view, and both the strategy which gives me a profit, but this is a higher margin trade. And Infosys where I'm doing the strategy which gives me a 6,000, and Nifty which gives me the same strategy which applied in Nifty on 9,400 call option with the put options, where I did the strategy by on 14th April. Now it is giving me a, so this time I was directly picking the direction about Nifty is downside. So 3 put options which I bought around 9,400 and 2 call option which I bought at 9,400, both I bought at 200 levels. Now my investment required for the trade is around 78,000. Either market is going upside or going downside, I'm going to make money. As I expected, Nifty is crossing below 9,052, so my profit is started, and now it is trading around 54,000 profit. The same strategy where I am doing that, the neutral market neutral strategy or a non-directional trade strategy, which gives me always profit. Non-directional trade strategy, because I am not depend on any direction. So here this is the direction which I think that little bit bullish, sorry, bearish. And if the market goes bullish also, I'm going to make money. So this is what like a non-directional trade, which any direction market moves. The important thing, so the area where you are seeing the red in color, this is what are the range of the market. Once the range is more than the expected move of your study, So if the stock moves more than your expected range, you can apply this strategy and you can make money. So this is also the risk having risk strategy, but you can apply this strategy very clear in manner, so you are going to make some good amount based on this particular strategy. I hope this may be a useful session to you all, and we will continue our teaching sessions by tomorrow onwards. Thanks for being with me, and thank you very much, and kindly make subscribe the channel to get more update. And anyone want to open a trading account with me, you can also open a trading account with me. We will provide a lot of benefits. And that's about this video. Thank you for watching, and kindly make subscribe, and if you like this video, like and share to your friends. If you have any other doubt, you can comment on our comment box. Thank you very much, friends. Thank you so much.